In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the cart page in Wix, a crucial step if you're looking to tailor your online store to better suit your brand and customer experience. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. From your dashboard, you'll want to head over to My Sites to access the list of websites you've created with Wix. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're clicking on the correct one by selecting Select Site, which will direct you to the specific site you wish to edit. Once you've accessed your site's management page, look for the home arrow, usually located at the top. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu that lists various sections of your website, such as blog pages, about pages, and importantly, your cart page. Selecting the cart page from this drop-down takes you directly to the area where customization begins. It's essential to have a clear idea of the changes you'd like to make, whether it's altering design elements to better fit your brand's aesthetics, or adding additional functionality to aid in sales conversion. After you've navigated to the cart page, consider previewing it as it currently stands by clicking on the preview button. This step is an excellent way to assess what works and what doesn't before diving into any changes. Viewing your site in preview mode lets you see it from a visitor's perspective, providing insight into the user experience and potential areas for improvement. In preview mode, explore your product categories. For instance, you might go to the men's section and click on a product to see how items are presented to potential customers. Taking this route allows you to understand how your cart page integrates with other pages, such as product pages, fostering consistency in design and navigation. However, remember that any changes you want to make will require you to return to the editor, so click back to editor to resume editing once you've gathered your insights. Now you'll want to click on the part of the page layout you intend to modify. This brings up a variety of editing options tailored to the element you've selected, everything from text entries to images and beyond. Furthermore, heading into the settings area of the cart page allows you to tweak specific functionalities, which can range from shipping settings to promotional codes depending on your goals. Finally, don't forget to regularly save your work throughout this process. Making incremental changes and reviewing them assures that you're moving in the right direction and minimizing the risk of losing significant progress. Once satisfied, you can publish your changes so that your customers see your beautifully customized cart page the next time they visit your store. So go ahead, give your customers a branded shopping experience that stands out.